tono tini chung oro bruha parani buru resettlement camp dholai district ambasani ungui chung joto chini de public ro oro khai kaisa press meet ma khaika main mudda hingke tamo je chini tripura edc ni singo je chung namani chung kaisa vc separate mainai omo hai chung khanaka hingke chini oro tabuk chini yago letter kono tongo mo ke chung chini letter oro chummanmani hingke tabuk chini kaisa chung oro government of tripura no chini kaisa koimung ka chini question kaisa tongo tini oro ka ADC government issues khaimoke March 29 2025 o tinio ke December ni March kaisa chu phaine ka November almost complete ong tongka tabun kuno government chingo o ADC VC separation ni kokno tui kuno action ko kre kuno nok bat ko kre kuno kok bo tabuk jorao khaija gya ke tamun bagai omo kok tini jorao chole yang to ma omo kam tini chole yang to amunu chung state government no chung question khayo immediate chini je o VC separation no success khaine to hiwe judio se omo separation ju khayang chite chini o location borok ba chini rohapara ne borok ro chung 2026 ni je election ADC ba VC election no chung chini vote chung remand lak ni chini public raw to sai tung omo kisa chung state government no masirimis kokse mondagiyo state government immediate bono success khaito ni chung asa khayo
today with the Bruhapara villagers reason for coming to the social media is that so the ADC have published the TRIPURA credited in the news. So this memorandum saying that you all the settlement team also going to be receiving VC, but still then till today the limitation is not done. That is why with the Bruhapara villagers are thinking that coming 2026 VC election we are not going to cast vote if the VC is not created as a separately. So by empty stomach how will cast vote? So this is our main theme that without getting VC or without separation of VC in the settlement camp of this Bruhapara settlement location, we are not going to cast vote. Thank you.
Len pata pun aku itu saya pata pun aku. Jadi mai macam saya bis kamu buk cakap buat ini jadi mampu tu soalnya jadi wana tu. Jono nai sana jono nang tu ni mah sekolah tu ni soalnya abang nai saya cuci tak. Jono bis kamu boleh, bawa mah aku boleh buat bis. Sangat disak nari boleh.